Hey everybody, I just had some things that were on my mind and I thought, I'm just going to get on here and do a video and just kind of share what I'm thinking. I had recently had a contest on Instagram because I reached 3,000 followers, and I work really hard every day to create art and to grow my art business. I've been doing it for 20 years. And I've only been on YouTube, two and a half years. So that part is new. And I'm not just an acrylic pour artist, I'm an artist in general. I've done thousands of jobs for people. And so, every once in a while I get an email from somebody or a naysayer in the comments about something, and it really, really hurts my feelings. And I'm not mad, I'm not angry. I forgive people because maybe they're having a bad day or they're stressed out because of the pandemic. I'm stressed too. I'm not afraid, I'm not fearful, I'm healthy. As far as I know, the people I know and love are healthy, and I'm just praying that it ends as quickly as possible. But I am a Christian and I have faith that God is in control and things will work out. And the reason that I do the YouTube channel is to share my techniques with people so that if they want to learn the joy of creating with paint and the therapy and healing that it brings to you and makes you happy and feel complete like it has me over 20 years, that's what I want to do. That's why I started my tutorial platform, where I do charge. It's not free, it's $35, and there's always a link below my videos. I do that because I want people to learn how to paint. It is so life-giving, and it's healthy and healing for you. It's proven to be healthy and good for you. And you can give it as gifts to people, and you can sell it, that kind of thing. So I work really, really hard to do this, and I spend hours and hours every day to bring free content on YouTube, almost 700 videos. And then I get a comment when I did an Instagram giveaway where I shared the video on YouTube, and I said, hey everybody, you've got a week to go over to Instagram and just like one of my pictures and comment and tag a couple of friends, and you'll get a chance to win a free angel painting. So I invited everybody from YouTube. I went over on Facebook. I invited everybody from Facebook over to Instagram. Everybody. I always open it to everybody that I know and love because I appreciate my followers. And this person said, I'm going to unsubscribe from you because you offered it on Instagram. But it's like, I put the video on YouTube for everybody to go to Instagram and follow and comment. And then the winner could be from YouTube land, it could be from Facebook land, it could be from anywhere. So, why do people have to have this mean spirit? Are they having a bad day? Are they having a bad year? I have most certainly had my fair share of sorrow and woes, divorce, and a son that struggles with addiction. I've lost a husband to cancer. I've almost been financially broke several times because I've been an artist, and I've given my money to a son who wasted it on drugs. So I know what it's like to be at the pits, but never once do I treat people mean-spirited or hatefully. I just don't get it. Why can't we all just love each other and be encouraging and uplifting? That's what it's all about. That's why I started my Facebook group, because people on YouTube could only comment. They couldn't share their pictures of their artwork that I had inspired them to do. I wanted to see what people were doing. I wanted people to be able to connect with me, and I started the Facebook group, and it's now over 10,000 people. And it's hard to make a living as an artist. It is hard. Last year, I just did my taxes. I broke even. So I didn't have to pay the IRS, which is a good thing, but I barely was able to pay my bills. And on YouTube, the only income that YouTubers get is when you click on an ad and watch the ad, we get a little teeny tiny percentage. So in the grand scheme of things, it's not enough to make a living. Unless I had like 1 million followers, and I don't. I have 67,000 followers almost. So I can't make a living on YouTube. I do it because my heart cares about the people that are out there and who my art encourages and inspires. I care about you. And I care about your well-being, and I care about you being a sweet, gentle, loving person. Isn't that what we're called to do? Isn't that what we are? It's our job to be kind and loving to other people. And I would really love it if people would think about that before they make a comment in a video. You know? If you don't like something, move along. Don't be hateful. You know, it just really blows my mind. I guess, you know, maybe it's the way people are brought up. And I was just always brought up to treat people with kindness and treat people the way you want to be treated. And so I will continue on making my YouTube videos and selling my classes where I teach acrylic painting with brushes. And this is my YouTube channel. It's kind of like my store. I don't have a gallery in a place anymore because I used to have one and the overhead was $1,000 and it was too much. And so I now work out of my home again. And I'll give you a picture of the room, and it's a mess. It's always a mess. But yeah, it costs a lot to make art for people. And I spent as much money on supplies and going to conferences and taking classes and teaching classes to learn and share and spread the love. And that's what I encourage you to do. And yeah, what I was saying was, yeah, this is my store. YouTube is where my store is. This is my public space where I have the most access to people across the world. And if I want to post an Instagram post giveaway or a Facebook giveaway, I can do it because it's my channel. I could post me cooking something on the stove. It's my channel. Yes, I'm an artist, but the artist is not everything that I am. I'm more than an artist. I'm a mother, I'm a daughter, I'm a sister, I'm a wife. I am a jack of all trades when it comes to creativity. This head is like full of ideas and creations. So I love y'all. And you know, if you hear a little frustration, you know, it's just because I want people to be nice to each other. And especially in this time of, you know, uncertainty right now, everything will get back to normal, but I want people to really think about what you say to other people because words can really hurt. You know, I've said some things in joking. Someone brought up to me, I was at a conference and I said something in passing when I was walking by. I was joking. And it really hurt her feelings, and she brought it to my attention, and I apologized prolifically. I mean, I was almost to a point of tears because I never meant to hurt her. It was just a joke. But some people, you know, it really doesn't sit well with them. And just really consider what you say to people because you don't really know where they are in their lives. So, if I want to do a giveaway on Instagram or Facebook, or I have an Etsy shop, go check it out. You know, if I want to do something like that, I'm going to do it because this is my channel. But I'm always, always inviting everybody here, there, everywhere to participate because I want everybody to have a chance to win. You know, I love giving away stuff just as much as I like selling it. And that is the truth. I love to give away stuff. So, be nice, you know, Do unto others as you would like them to do unto you. Come here, Harley. Come here. And Harley wants to say hello. Look at the camera. Say, hey, everybody. Right up here. Hey, everybody. My new baby. We've had him since December, and he is the huge, huge heart of me. I love him. I have fallen in love with him so deeply. He's such a good baby. He says hello. Now, I'm going to try to take my camera off. I'm going to show you. I'm going to go around the room and show you the mess. Here's a table with a bunch of junk on it. I haven't done pours in so long, it's not even funny. There's a box of paints that I've collected. Deco art paints down in here. I don't know if you can see that. A desk with round canvases for angel paintings. Got this piece of furniture. It's got all kinds of canvases inside. Large canvases. Products that I've got here. Harley's checking them out too, that I haven't even tried out yet. This is full of stuff. I got stuff to make resin art with. Here's my grandfather's drafting table that is probably about 60 years old that he built, that I paint on myself. More art supplies. And here is my YouTube table with lots of lights. I'm in a bonus room with not good lighting and one little window, so I have to really, really try hard to light this place up. So, this is what it looks like to do art for a living, and I try really hard, and I love to create art. It really blesses my soul. I love to mentor other artists. I'm in a mentoring group that mentors other artists. I've been in it for 3 years, and I love doing that, and I'm going to be doing more of that. And I may even be offering coaching to artists that want to take their business to the next level, or if they want encouragement with their personal life and spiritual journey. I'm willing to do that as well. So that is something I'm going to offer in the future. I will always do this as long as I'm physically able to. And I'm sweating. It's warm up here. I just want to say thank you for listening to my rant. I'm just trying to get people to be nicer to each other, you know. I love y'all, and I appreciate your support and following. And, you know, I've got 67,000 followers, but I might only have 20 or 30 people that ever comment on my videos. It's a small group of people, and I just appreciate your loyalty. And I will keep posting videos and keep doing giveaways. And if you don't like it, go to the other area I'm offering the giveaway and join it. You might have a chance to win, and it might make you a little bit happy. So anyway, I'm all good. My spirits are high. I'm going to keep painting during this crazy pandemic. I'm going to keep on moving forward, and I hope you will too. And I will see you on the next video. Thanks. Bye-bye.